right, we're back here. Second edit of my club, and we're gonna see what we can get rid of right away, and then get less of and some other things. Now I still haven't decided because I just bought some Adidas. I've spent a little money, and I want to get this down. But am I gonna get it? Do I need it? That's the question. Very bubble blue. I've got to melt this tomorrow and decide if they're staying in or coming out. I still want to keep Welcome to Imagination Land at 6. I still want to keep Candy Apple Delight at 2. Meant to be Merry. Whipped frosting will come down. I just don't know how many. I would like to keep Disney Moana. I brought down Sweetheart Sugar Cookie to 6. Could it go down further? Yes, it could. I would definitely love to keep these in here just to find out if they're still coming back. Butterbeer will obviously have to come down. Peach Paradise and Lemon Heaven will have to come down. I'm going to keep Seabreeze there. There's no way I'm getting 4, I don't think. But that will be a melt tomorrow, too. These are some reminders for me. Of course, Strawberries and Cream will come down. We're getting rid of Quaint Country Rain. Ooh, I want to try Strawberries and Sunshine as well. We're getting rid of this one just because these are not scents that I really want. So yeah, we still have to get rid of half of this. But we might get rid of these 4. We might get rid of these 2 possibly. I don't know. I've had them sitting for a while. I've gotten a few shipments. So let's see how that performs for me. I love anything like blue raspberry-ish. I love those scents. And I mistakenly, I'm still like, wanting Aladdin. I want that blueberry burst from an Easter collection. I want all those. I just turned up the air because I'm sitting in the car at work. And then, a lot of these can go down if I decide to keep the club. Like these 2 aren't necessary. Well, this one will go away. They'll both go away, actually, right? Strawberries and Sunshine and Strawberries and Cream. So we're going to try out Strawberries and Sunshine, Sea Breeze, and Berry Bubble Blue. See how they perform, and then I can decide on those how many I want. Strawberries and Cream, I already know. That one's very strong, very good performing, and a great scent. But I don't have to get 12. In fact, I can put it in the other club, which, of course, is also huge. Huge. Let's see, is it already in here? We've got Strawberries and Sunshine there. We've got Strawberries and Cream. 6 is much more realistic, so I don't know. We're going to make it that 12. Or how about 16? We'll see. I don't feel like I need that many of these, but I just want them in case. Let's see. And at least we know we have it in here. I have 24 butterbeer. Look at that. Sea Breeze, honestly, if I do like it, it's probably enough that I get 1 every quarter. But I kind of want to try it out anyway. I guess I got to. Oh, let's go back to here. Update. And that's all we need to do. Look at $96 in Strawberries and Cream. That's not going to happen. I know it. But that's kind of what I wanted to see there. So yeah, this is probably pretty quick, but I thought I'd record it just so you see what I'm doing. And then I might do a club skip on that as well, which would mean that I would put it in my monthly club, and then I would take it right back out and put it back to bimonthly. So then it won't ship for 2 more months. If I were to, I guess we could go this way. But I mean, I'm not spending $600 in a club. Okay. So if I were to skip this May 19th order, we're going to press on it. I would actually be able to skip everything once and keep all these bars. But I'm not going to skip it at this point. Everything's safe in there. It's been over a year since I've last skipped, I guess. So everything is safe. This is orange, not red. So we're going to go to do not skip. Oh, okay. But if I want to, I can. So either way, it might not come till July. And then my other one, set to process July also. And I'll tell you the one reason I would really want to keep this one is the Berry Bright, or actually to get it in July. Maybe the Watermelon Patch, Disney Roll, Mad Here. Those are ones I would want to get in July, but do I absolutely need them? I'm not sure. Berry Bright I have a nice stash of. Also, Berry Apple Shortbread is such a good one. And I would like gingerbread cheesecake, key lime pie, summer sippin'. Um, some of these may come way down. I also want to check on the whipped frosting. How many do I need of those? I've used. I've had two, I believe, batches of the 14. And I used a good portion of the first one. So I might have like 16 or maybe even 14 or 12 left. So I do kind of want to keep that one at that. What other than that, this is limited.